Hi everybody, myself Gauri Shankar. Today I will show you how to record the script in IE browser through JMeter. Okay, I will open the first of all JMeter. Okay, how we need to open now? You can go to the Apache JMeter 5.4.1. Open the bin folder. Under bin folder you can open directly Apache JMeter. Otherwise there is a window patch file in JMeter. You can double click and you need to open. This way will be open. Yeah, this is the window will be open directly. Okay, this is the first way you need to open. Second one, I will select to the sample WebTour application only. That WebTour application you need to install separately. This is the WebTour application. Okay, there is a start server now. You can double click and you need to open. This is from Windows missions. You can window batch file. Is a Linux is a different one. Is a shell format is a .sh file and now that bat file. Okay, double click and you need to open. Yeah, this is the way will open. This IP address now, this is by default will become to the our machine IP address and sometime will dynamically will change also. Okay, now what are the settings you need to do before recording? First of all, you need to add the test plan under cookie manager, header manager, cache, thread group, recording controller, HTTP test script recorder. In HTTP test script recorder, you need to set up port number. Anyone you can mention to the 8888 I will mention 2020 and you need to target controller. I will select the recording controller means this one. Okay, I will select recording controller and I will mention the grouping, put each group in new transaction controller. Okay, everything separate way I need to mention. Okay. And go to the requesting type. There is a this type of formats I have already excluded. Click onto the as suggested exclude. You need to mention anything patterns you need to exclude. You need to mention this place. Okay, this is by default and you need to mention specifically. You need to mention this way based on the pipe symbol. Okay, BMP, CSS, JS, ZIP, ICO, JPG, PNG, SWF, WFF, WFF2. There's so many formats you need to exclude. No? What are the formats you need to exclude? You need to mention this place. That time it's will work. Okay. After this side will complete it and go to the browser. I will select to the IE browser. You can open the IE browser. Go to the settings, internet options, connections, LAN setting. You need to select this one. This option, process server. This IP address now I have already shown on this one. In WebTour application IP address you need to give it. Port number same 8080. These setups once will be done. Okay, once will be done. This is the prerequisites for the JMeter and browser. It's completed. Now you need to start the recording. Okay, click on start recording. This is the CA root certificate will be asked. After I will show you how you need to install the root CA certificate. After is ready, you need to proceed to recording. Okay. Okay, you need to give in this one. http://192.168.31.216. This is the IP address you will show. :1080 after web2.index.html. HTML will need to provide. Okay. This is the URL is must and should. You know, do not provide the local host or 127.0.0.1. That type of you will provide it. It's not captured. You need to provide the server IP address only. You need to provide. Okay. First one, you need to launch and you need to proceed to the username, bin. You need to wait that one. Anything pages will be loading. Okay. Click on to the slides. Select any one slide. Click on continue. No need to fill now as recording. It's done. Jojobin flight invoice. Okay, thanks for booking your through web tools. You can sign up. You can stop. Okay, after you need to go to the web tools now. It's already recorded. You can see the reason separated way you need to create it. You can go to the test plan. You can just put each group on new transaction. That is a separate transaction will be created. You need to select do not group samples, add separated between group. This all the things also you need to learn. Which one selected, what will be happen. Okay. After you need to open all the things. Okay. Now go to the. Don't think this is there is a something name will become na every time. You don't think that one. It's a request is properly based on that IP address will be captured or not. You need to check. First one you can see 192.168.31.216 is the right one. Sign up means is the first starting page. Na? This is where only will become. Sign up means is the welcome page. First one home page type. After it's a home page. It's is login page. Jojobin everything will be entered. No? And, this is the dynamic value will mention in the session. After second one same page only. It's a home page, search page, and menu of flight page, and there is a page called welcome. This is the flight reservation page. What are the format? London, Paris you selected. Paris and first. This is the second dynamic value outbound flight, and first and Israel will become. This is the flight reserve ticket. Okay, total all the details. It's a final sign off. It's a starting home page. Okay. This is the way you need to record the script, and this transactions names your wish. You can change it. You can mention what your names you need. And transactions also you need to provide your specific names you need to provide. Okay. This is the way you need to record the script in JMeter tool, especially from IE browser. Okay. This is only guys this video, and next video I will show you how you need to record to the Firefox browser also. Thank you.